horizontal sliding secondary glazing is the most popular product choice for virtually all property types and styles. Ideally paired with any primary window that features vertical bars, horizontal sliding units are sleek, versatile and offer ample ventilation. Generally available in 2, 3, 4 or 5 panel configurations, this product type can be made to easily match a property's exact requirements and specifications. In this short video, we'll show you how Granada Secondary Glazing's 2-panel horizontal sliding unit stacks up against 2 leading secondary glazing alternatives. For the purpose of this video, we'll refer to those alternatives as Window A and Window B. Granada's 2-panel horizontal sliding unit can be manufactured to a maximum width of 4.9 metres and a maximum height of 2.7 metres. This is a significantly larger manufacturing capability than both of the alternative options. Window A, by comparison, can achieve a width of 2.5 metres and a height of 1.98 metres, whilst Window B is able to achieve a width of 2.7 metres and a height of 2.4 metres. And it's much the same story with glass specification. All variations of Granada's horizontal sliding units are able to accommodate 4mm toughened to 10.8mm laminate acoustic glass for superior thermal and acoustic performance. Window A, by comparison, is only able to offer 4mm float to 6.8mm acoustic laminated glass. Window B offers 4mm toughened to 6.4mm acoustic laminated glass. Granada's entire suite of bespoke secondary glazing products has been carefully designed to be as sleek and unobtrusive as possible. Their 2-panel horizontal sliding unit certainly fits the mould, with just a 58mm sightline from subframe to glass along the top and bottom of the unit, and a 49mm sightline across the sides of the unit. This is in comparison to a 52mm sightline across the sides of Window A, a 63mm sightline along the top of the unit, and a 64mm sightline along the bottom of the unit. Window B differs slightly, with a 57mm sightline along the top and bottom of the unit, and a 55mm sightline across the sides of the unit. Granada's 2-panel horizontal sliding unit stands out from the crowd with its use of a central push-button release mechanism. This sleek piece of hardware ensures that both panels remain fully locked off until it's operated. To open the unit, simply press the button and open either the left-hand or the right-hand panel as required. In contrast, both Window A and Window B feature spring clip handles that are used to seal off the units. Brass rollers come as standard on Granada's horizontal sliding units. These rollers allow the panels to guide seamlessly along the aluminium track for easy opening. Window A instead uses a plastic clip along the bottom of each panel for opening, whilst Window B uses a similar roller mechanism to the Granada unit. The panels on all 3 of these units are completely removable to allow for easier access to the primary window. In the interest of making their windows as unobtrusive as possible, all of Granada's horizontal sliding units feature a slimline, full-length handle section. Running down both sides of the unit, this fixed handle sits flush against the frame and is barely noticeable at a glance, particularly when looking at the window straight on. As we mentioned earlier, both Window A and Window B instead opt for a spring clip handle that protrudes from the frame. In the case of both of these windows, the handle section actually adds to the overall sightline of the unit. Granada's commitment to a sleek aesthetic continues within the panels themselves. Unlike both alternative windows, no screw holes are visible on Granada's horizontal sliding unit, whether the panels are opened or closed. As you can see, both Window A and Window B sport noticeable screw holes when the units are in either position. For additional sightline consistency, Granada use a white gasket as standard for white products across their entire product range. Both alternative windows use black gasket as standard, which is significantly more noticeable. If you'd like to learn more about Granada's range of horizontal sliding units, visit granadaglazing.com or call 01909 499 899.